Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. Today, we will explore 20 multiple choice general knowledge questions that will challenge your mind and spark your curiosity across a variety of topics. Are you ready? Let's start. Question number 1. In which year the first official international cricket match took place? Option A 1842, B 1844, C 1854 and D 1856. The correct answer is 1844. The first official international cricket match was played in 1844 between the United States and Canada. The match was played at the St. Giorgio Cricket Club in New York. Canada won the match by 23 runs. Question number 2. What is the term for the building blocks of life? Option A cells, B molecules, C tissues and D organisms. The correct answer is cells. Cells are the building blocks of life. They are the smallest living things on earth and the basic structural and functional unit of all organisms. Question number 3. What is the primary pigment responsible for the red color in tomatoes? Option A chlorophyll, B carotene, C lycopene and option D anthocyanin. The correct answer is lycopene. Lycopene is a primary pigment that gives tomato their red color. It's a phytochemical or a biological active compound that found in many red fruits and vegetables. Question number 4. Which US state is known as the Empire State? Option A California, B New York, C Texas and D Florida. The correct answer is New York. The Empire State is a nickname of the US state of New York. Adopted in 1800, it has been incorporated into the name of several state buildings and events. Question number 5. Which flower is the national flower of Mexico? Option A marigold, B sunflower, C tulip and D dahlia. The correct answer is dahlia. Dahlia is an important plant in the world as a pot plant and cut flower. It is native to Mexico, where it is a source of food, medicine and ornamental value. In 1963, it was declared as the national flower of Mexico. Question number 6. What do you call a group of butterflies? Option A Caleidoscope, B a phlox, C a herd and D a swarm. The correct answer is kaleidoscope. Question number 7. Which one of the following cities is called the Zero Mile Center of India? Option A Nagpur, B Kanpur, C Allahabad and option D New Delhi. The correct answer is Nagpur. Nagpur, Maharashtra is known as a Zero Mile Center of India because it's the geographical center of the country. The British erected the Zero Mile Stone to indicate this point and measure distance from it. Question number 8. Which war is often called the Forgotten War? Option A the Korean War, B the Vietnam War, C World War I and D the Gulf War. The correct answer is the Korean War. The Korean War, which ended with an armistice on July 27 in 1953, is sometimes referred to as the Forgotten War or a police action because it was overshadowed by the World War II several years earlier and the Congress never declared war on North Korea. Question number 9. Who inaugurated India Gate? Option A. Lord Wellington, B. Lord Irwin, C. Lord Mountbatten, and D. Lord Wavell. The correct answer is Lord Irwin. Lord Irwin, the Viceroy of India at the time of inaugurated India Gate on February 12 in 1931. The foundation stone was laid in 1921 by the Duke of Connaught, the third son of Queen Victoria. Question number 10. Qutbuddin Ibabak was the founder of which dynasty? A. Mughal dynasty, B. Tughlaq dynasty, C. Khilji dynasty, and D. Mamluk dynasty. The correct answer is Mamluk dynasty. Qutbuddin Ibabak founded the Mamluk dynasty, also known as the Slave dynasty, in 1206 AD. It was the first dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate. Question number 11. Which of the following rocks is transformed into marbles? A. Granite, B. Kimberlite, C. Limestone, and D. Norite. The correct answer is limestone. The rock that is transformed into marble is limestone. When limestone is subjected to high pressure and temperature deep within the earth crust, it undergoes metamorphism and transforms into marble. Question number 12. Which Indian state has passed the Uniform Civil Code law? Option A. Odisha, B. Uttarakhand, C. Uttar Pradesh, and D. West Bengal. The correct answer is Uttarakhand. As of January 27, 2025, Uttarakhand became the first Indian state to implement the Uniform Civil Code. The UCC standardized law related to the marriage, divorce, inheritance, and succession, promoting equality across gender and religion, with certain exemption for scheduled tribes. Question number 13. All operating systems get their total memory initialized from A. BIOS, B. RAM, C. ROM, and D. CPU. The correct answer is BIOS. Question number 14. Capital of which of the following states is called Scotland of the East? A. Manipur, B. Sikkim, C. Assam, and D. Meghalaya. The correct answer is Meghalaya. The capital city referred to as the Scotland of the East is Shillong, which is the capital of Meghalaya. This nickname comes from its rolling hills, picturesque landscapes, and the pleasant climate, reminiscent of the Scottish Highlands. Question number 15. Which of the following compounds is used as a drying agent? A. Gypsum, B. Calcium chloride, C. Calcium oxide, and D. Calcium hydroxide. The correct answer is calcium chloride. Calcium chloride is commonly used as drying agent. It readily absorbs water molecules from its surrounding due to its hygroscopic nature, making it effective for drying liquids and gases in laboratory settings. Question number 16. Which sports tournament is known as the Europe Top 16? Option A. Tennis, B. Badminton, C. Table tennis, and D. Squash. The correct answer is table tennis. Europe Top 16, also known as Europe Top 16 Cup and formerly known as Europe Top 12, is a table tennis tournament held annually in Europe since 1983 among the highest ranked players in Europe. Its program includes tournaments for men and women in singles. Question number 17. Which form of coal is usually used in thermal power plants? A. Anthracite, B. Lignite, C. Bituminous, and D. Peat. The correct answer is bituminous. Bituminous coal has a relatively high calorific value, which makes it effective for generating electricity. This high energy content allows power plants to produce more power per unit of coal burned. It has moderate level of ash and moisture, which means it burns more efficiently and produces less waste compared to lower grade coals like lignite. Question number 18. Which animal hold hand in the water while asleep? A. Dolphin, B. Seal, C. Whale, and D. Otter. The correct answer is otter. Question number 19. Which part of a cell is responsible for protein synthesis? A. Ribosomes, B. Mitochondria, C. Nucleus, and D. Lysosome. The correct answer is ribosomes. Ribosomes are the part of a cell that are responsible for protein synthesis. Ribosomes are made of RNA and protein. Question number 20. Which port is said to be developed as the first green port of India? A. Deen Dayal Port, B. Pradeep Port, C. Port Blair, and D. Haldia Port. The correct answer is Haldia Port. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.